So whatever solid was given, which was the solid? Square
pyramid.
what was its age? 40. How much it was there? 40, no? 40. So its base is something like this, 40, and so it is having apex. So in 3D I'm trying so to highlight how it is. So one apex I have drawn. So in AutoCAD we have seen how we are, which command is used to join different cross section. This is not part of that problem, but still I'm showing it. Which command anybody is remembering? We have seen AutoCAD. How much height is given? I think 65, no?
65.
65. So 65. So I will draw here first square pyramid. So how it looks. So this which is this solid?
Square pyramid.
Square pyramid. Are you observing square pyramid? Okay, so how many edges
Yes,
we have
sir.
seen? For the base, 4 edges, and for the periphery, 4 edges. Correct. Now it is cut. It is cut. How it is cut? It is cut in, suppose it will see top view. So it is looking like this. Okay. Its top is looking like this. Now once we are going to see something like this. So it is cut. Okay, it is cut now. So I will cut. So approximately I will cut, not exactly. Approximately I will cut. So I will cut this. Maybe it is cut in this way. So are you getting how I have cut the object? It will look like this. And actually, it is whatever that cut section, are you observing? It is something like this, cut section. And once we are going to see its top view, so it will look something like this. Actually, is it something like this or something different? Let's check. Or cutting plane we have taken, it is like this. So whatever it's this only we have, whatever this cut section, it is like this cut section, and its true shape is, so we were asked that true shape was it is like this, true shape of the plane. So whatever it is there, so that we have seen as a true shape. Are you getting? So this we were supposed to draw section of solid. Are you getting? So this was we were supposed to draw. So whatever it was there, are you getting? For a square pyramid. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to next. Quickly we will solve one more problem. In all problem it is like this. We will read this problem firstly. Within 10 minutes we will solve this. We will read this problem. Neha, roll number 8. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Read it loudly.
A square prism of base side 50 mm and axis height 70 mm is resting on base with two edges of base equally inclined to VP. It is cut by section plane perpendicular to VP and passing from bottom left corner of base and top right corner. Draw sectional top view and true shape of section.
Very good, thank you. So which type of solid is given in this problem statement?
Square
solid
prism.
is given? Square prism. What are its dimensions?
50 mm and 70 mm.
70 mm.
50 mm and 70 mm. Where it is placed on? Actually, it is not mentioned. It is resting on base with two edges equally inclined to VP. Means its base will be where? Where will be its base? Its base will be on HP or VP.
HP.
It will be on HP because its base is equally inclined to VP. Means what will be the inclination of base edge with VP?
45 degree.
45 degree. How we were drawing? Now in first, likewise it is placed on HP. Okay, up to this, it is description of that solid. Up further, it is cut by section plane, means cutting plane. Section plane means cutting plane, perpendicular to VP. Means is it perpendicular to VP and passing from left corner of the base and top right corner. Left corner of base and top right corner. Means inclination angle is not given, but description is given. Okay, perpendicular to VP means which view will be the line view or edge view of that plane? It is
Front
perpendicular to
view.
VP. Front view will be edge view or line view. Okay, and draw sectional view. Sectional, which view we are supposed to draw? Sectional, top view or front view?
Sectional top view.
Top view.
Top view means where will be the cutting plane? In front view or in top view?
In front view.
In front view. Now tell me, let us start this problem. Firstly, we have to draw square prism. Firstly, we have to draw square prism. How we will draw square prism? Who will tell? How we will draw cutting plane? Sorry, not cutting plane. How we will draw prism? What I should draw in top view first? काय ड्रॉ करायचं आता पहिल्यांदा?
Square.
Square. How will be that square? Its edge, how much angle it should make with VP?
45 degree.
कसं काढता येईल? How we should draw it?
Equally inclined square. Vertical and horizontal line.
First line, very good. Vertical and horizontal line we have to draw here. Firstly, एक vertical and one horizontal line we have to draw here. After that, what we have to do? So it may be faint. Initially, you can draw faint line, one vertical and one horizontal. Outside, one what you have to do? One square you have to draw. Generally, vertical 50. Okay, horizontal 50, then vertical 50, this 50. So it will be the square of how much side?
50.
50. Now what I have to do after this? So it is 50. So you can see here.
तर ह्याला डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला यूज केला तरी पण येते हे
कसा?
डायगोनल
Pythagoras.
नाही
No issue. That
diagonal.
also is कसा?
डायगोनल इज इक्वल टू रूट 2a. मग हाफ ऑफ डायगोनल घ्यायचा आहे ना.
हा. डायगोनल काय असतो?
रूट 2 इंटू a. रूट 2 इंटू साइड.
हा.
रूट 2 इंटू साइड 50 इज इक्वल टू 70.
It
70
may be
हाफ मग 35 येते.
35.
येस सर.
Up 35. Very good. 35. You can take half 35 also. How you have, I have not understood. Will you repeat please? Repeat करता काय सांगितलं तुम्ही?
स्क्वेअर डायगोनलचा फॉर्म्युला आहे सर. डायगोनल इज
Square
इक्वल टू रूट 2 इंटू साइड.
Root 2 into side. Side is 50.
रूट 2 इंटू
Correct.
50. येस
Root 2 into 50. Directly means you want to use calculator and you want to calculate. No?
येस सर.
Okay, that will be okay or this will be okay. Both will be correct. And afterwards you can join. Half of the diagonal, take it and you can join it. So this I will remove. This will be the dark. Shall I join its center point with midpoint or center point? इथे जॉईन करावं लागेल का?
No,
Is it
sir.
necessary? Why it is not necessary?
Because it is prism.
Prism.
Because it is prism, so we should not join. So while giving names, what I have to do?
Two names.
While giving two names at each point, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? So let us give name. So I will give here A1. Correct, no? One is
Yes, sir.
similarly. So let us give here. I will give name as B2. B2. Then I will give name C3. Then B4. Correct, no? B4. Next, what we have to do now? I want to draw its front view. What I have to do?
Projection.
Projection line. Okay, from here, and from here. How much axis height is given?
70.
70. Okay, so how much axis length is given? 70. So from here I will give 70 height. 70. 70, no?
Yes, sir.
70. What is looking very less for it? How much? Whether it will look like this? Okay, so it will look like this. So once we have drawn this, so name. What about name? So front view is like this. So what about its name? So for top surface, what name we were taking? ABCD or 1, 2, 3, 4 for top surface, top square?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So how many edges will be there at the middle? Which names will come if at all we will give 1, 2, 3, 4? So which
1,
two names?
1 dash and 3 dash.
1 dash and
3 dash.
3 dash. Correct. So at here, near to it, what name will come? 2 dash,
2 dash.
2 dash. Here, which name will come?
4 dash.
Dash. Similarly, below, which two names will come here?
A dash, C dash.
A dash and
C dash.
A dash and C dash. C
Yes,
dash.
sir.
C dash. Correct. Now here, which name will come here?
B dash.
Okay. Similarly here.
D dash.
Okay. So up to this, so whatever we have seen, whatever solid is given up to this, any problem? It is very simple. So as we have seen in projection of solid. Okay. Now, now we have to cut this object. Now we have to cut the object. So what is description of? What is description of cutting plane? What is description of cutting plane? Passing from which point?
Bottom left and top right.
Bottom left and top right. Correct. So which 2 points I have to join in front of you so that it will be my cutting plane?
D dash 2 dash.
Bottom. Now you should understand left and right. Then it is very easy to understand. So which 2 points I should join so that it will be my cutting plane?
D dash 2 dash.
A2.
D or D dash 2 dash. D dash 2 dash is the correct answer because leftmost bottom point is D dash. Okay. And topmost right corner is 2 dash. If I
2
will
dash.
join these 2 points, it will be my cutting plane.
Cutting
It
plane.
will be my cutting plane. And I will, how cutting plane is shown? By which line? Center line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this. Now, which name I should give to cutting plane? Can I give some name? Which name I should give? A dash, capital A, something,
Yes, sir.
or capital anything you can give, no problem. A dash or A dash something. You can give name. A dash also no issue. Something like this. Okay, so this. Now, this particular cutting plane. Now you have to understand very carefully. How many edges it is cutting? How many edges it is cutting? Before that, I will ask for this square prism. How many vertical edges are there? How many vertical edges are there for this square prism?
4.
How many are there? 4. Okay. So from and how many cutting edges it is cutting, or from how many edges it is going this cutting plane? कितने edge ला cut करते हैं? Or how many edges it is cutting?
2.
Only 2. It is not
Three.
cutting to.
3, sir.
It is passing through point D and point 2 also. It means it is cutting to that. Or simple question, where is edge 4 dash D dash in top view? 4 dash D dash ही top view मध्ये कुठं आहे?
On same point.
On same point, D dash 4 dash. Correct. It is on same point, D dash 4 dash. It is on same point, D dash 4 dash. Okay. Now, how to check where it is cutting to edge 1 dash A dash, 1 dash A dash, where it is cutting? How to check that? Check कसं करायचं आता 1 dash 2 dash where it is cutting? So if we will give name 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash already we have given. Let us, it will give the name as PQRS. PQRS. Suppose we will give the name as a PQRS cutting point. If I will give name as a PQRS, so I will give name as a PQRS. Here I will give name as P. Okay, here Q and R. Then yes. Here there will be 2 edges. Here there are 2 edges. No, PQ is a QR or Q dash R dash. Q dash comma R dash. Dash. And lastly, yes dash suppose. Yes dash. Suppose it is a yes dash. Here it is p dash. So these 4 points we have to locate. These 4 points we have to locate. So point q dash and r dash. Where are these 2 points? q dash and r dash. On which edge these 2 points are? कुठल्या एज वरती आहे तो? हा येतंय का लक्षात? q dash r dash. On which edges it is? On which edge these 2 points are? कुठल्या एज वरती आहे q dash r dash?
A1 and C3.
A1 and C3. So point P dash, no issue. It is directly on. It is directly on at the point D and 4. Similarly, point 2 dash, not 2 dash, yes dash. It is at the point B2 or edge B2. Directly it is there. But how to locate Q dash and R dash? How to locate Q dash and R dash? That is most important now. How to locate it? Will you apply the mind? Because location of these 2 points is most important. How we can locate? कुठं कसं करता येईल बघा बरं. Will you apply the mind?
Middle.
Where it is? Middle where? Before that, if you are unable to understand, a problem is little difficult. So I will show here how it is. Okay, so rectangle, what is its square side is P1. Square ची side किती दिली?
50.
50. Height is how much?
70.
Okay, 70. Okay, so in front view it is looking like this. Are you getting? Now it is cut. In front view it is looking like this and it is cut now. How? So it is cut like this. So now you can see how it is. So that shape will be something like this. That shape will be something like this. Okay, and means whatever shape you are observing, so it is cut like this. Its top view will be like this. This top view will be something like this. Top view is going. Sorry, it is equally inclined, no? So that we have missed. Huh? We have not taken equally inclined. It is like this. Okay, so it is equally inclined. So in top view, it should not look like this. Huh? So first, we have to make it equally inclined. Okay. So top view will be like this. It is coming like this. Top view is coming like this. Now we have to cut this. Now we have to cut this. Looking from the front. Okay. So you can see how many edges are there at the middle. How many edges are there at the middle and at the extreme side in front view. Okay. Now this we have to cut. Huh? So it will look like this. That object will look like this. It will say, and its top view will be something like this. Top view will be something like this. Okay. What about its what we can say? True shape.
True shape.
True shape will be something like this. True shape. This is a true shape. How it is true shape? If not, I will change once again. True shape will be maybe highlight. True shape, something like this. For only true shape, I will give some other color so that you will come to know that some red color I will. So this is object. In actual object, it is like this. So square, pyramid, and whatever red colored, something like kite structure you will see. Kite, you are understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
Kite, that kite structure. Are you observing some kite structure? In top view, it will look like this, but in top view, it will be like this. Top view, how it is in top view, you can see. In top view, it will look like it is not kite shape actually. In top view, it is not kite shape, but in uh, true shape, you can see how it looks in true shape. It is like this, perpendicular to it. If you will see, it will look like this. So that only we have to complete here. How we can complete? So what is method? What is method? Temporary. You can give point to these 2 points temporary. You can locate this point to now directly. If you will now here question may come mind. If at all. So first I will look at P dash and S dash point. There is no issue to look at P dash and S dash because in top view. Why? Why? Because it is on one single edge. It is on single edge. So if at all I will locate directly, there is no issue. So it will be here. One point will be here, another will be here. So here there will be P point, point P. And here there will be, which point will be there here? Point?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. What about these two? Q dash and R dash. For that purpose, temporarily you have to take to the near side. Temporarily you have to take that point to near side, then take it below directly. Go vertically. On which side we have to take temporarily? कुठल्याही एका side वरती घ्यायचे. Suppose 2 dash B dash. B dash 2 dash we have to take, and from here you have to draw circle. हे मी काय केलं टेम्पररली P dash आणि R dash पॉइंट तुमच्या माहितीसाठी इथे घेतले मी. हे पॉइंट शेजारचे बी डॅश 2 डॅश वरती टेम्पररी घ्यायचे, खाली घ्यायचे. कुठे येतील ते पॉइंट? एसच्या ठिकाणी येतील दोन्ही पॉइंट Q डॅश आणि R डॅश. येतील का? एस
Yes, sir.
नंतर काय करायचं, इथून हे रोटेट करायचे त्याच्या ह्याच्यावरती ऑन इट्स ओन. 1 डॅश A डॅश 3 डॅश C डॅश. इथून काय करायचं डायरेक्टली एक सर्कल काढतो, हे ते पॉइंट देऊन टाकायचे तिकडे, अशी रोटेट करायचं तिकडे देऊन टाकायचे. समथिंग लाईक दिस. इथे येतील हे देऊन टाकले त्याला तिकडे गेलो नंतर. टिपिकल प्रॉब्लेम आहे. सो इथं कुठला पॉइंट येईल तुमचा? इथं येईल कुठला असेल A1 वर आपण सपोज क्यू घेतला क्यू आणि इकडं क्यू आणि आर न आर. So here there will be Q आणि इथं असेल तुमचा R. हे झाले 4 पॉईंट P Q R S and directly you can go for hatching. Directly you can go for hatching because this is total maybe here somewhere. That and similarly, finally, you can draw a parallel plane. You can draw parallel plane. Okay, to this plane. Okay, from here somewhere you will pass, and you can locate the point. So just see whether you are getting. So shall we draw quickly so that we will come to know that whether we are getting kite shape or you will draw. Draw करून बघताय का तुम्हाला kite shape मिळतोय का? So 4 points only you have to locate. How will be that point? Firstly, time is less with us. So what we have to do here? काय करावं लागेल? How will be the projection line?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. Quickly I will draw that projection line. So from how many points you have to pass that projection line? 4 points. One is P, Q, R, and S. Correct.
Yes.
From this point. Now, which point you are going to mark here? कुठले point mark करणार? P, Q, R, S. So for that purpose, P and S will be at same distance because it is parallel. P and S on this. So in my case, it is 93. You can take help of compass. I will check. Still, I have to extend this. Just give attention. Don't draw anything. So from here, I will draw. This will be my P point. Similarly, from here, this will be my another point. Okay, so 2 points. Then point Q, I will check at how much distance it is. Point Q, 57 and 120. You remember 57. From this, I will mark 57. This will be my, I will join directly to remove further. I will remove this. Okay, and 128. No, how much it was? 128. Another point. This should be just 128. So it will be something like this. It will see carefully. So that will be. Are you getting something like kite shape? So here there will be the kite shape. You will get here kite shape. Are you getting? So the true shape of the so P Here there will be S dash, which will be the near point Q, and here will be R. R dash. R, P, here it is S dash, S dash, P, Q. So are you getting here how it is come? So this will be the true shape of that we can say, and that you have to show by hatching again. Something like this hatching. Are you getting? समझ लगा है how it is? Are you getting? येते का लक्षात?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is something like this. It is something like this. So once again I will tell how. So it is our kite shape, red colored. If I will zoom, so this one was our square pyramid, sorry, not pyramid, prism, square prism with its all bases, all base side equally inclined to whom? VP. So its
VP.
3D will look like this. 3D will look like this. Okay, so like this. Its front view. So I will. Its front view will like it will be like this. Yellow color I will give. Okay, so front view. Its front view will be something like this. Front view, and in front view it is cut. In front view it is cut. Okay, so I will cut in front view once again. And then I have to cut. So it will look like this. Okay. So it will look like this. If at all I will use some other color to that edge, so that lastly it is something like this, and you can see carefully how it is. So this was the prism and it was cut. So is it going topmost and bottommost? What left corner? Bottommost left corner and topmost right corner. Is it going like this? We have drawn its true shape. Have you understood this object? How it is?